Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this season we're kicking off with a dedication to homecoming, HBCUs, and of course Divine 9 Black Greek culture. So my friend asked me to make a Greek paddle for her, and so when I did my research I was really surprised about how expensive they were, and I couldn't believe that they were selling as much from $80 to like $125 for some that I just thought were like plain or less than plain. So I'm going to show you how to make this for a fraction of the price. I got this wooden panel from Michael for about $8, and a lot of the things that I'm using to make this, some I did purchase, some things I did have in my stash, but altogether I probably cost me maybe $20 to $25. So my friend happens to be a member of the sorority Alpha Kappa Alpha, so that is what inspired this this DIY project. And at first I wasn't going to do this because it's on camera, because it's so specific. I thought about doing a general one, kind of like maybe do something more school days related, but I figured since I was going to make one anyway, I might as well get good content. So in order to start this off, I'm just using white paint, and I'm using that as a base, so that way the colors that I paint on top of it really pop. And I noticed that, for me, I think it's necessary because I notice wood kind of absorbs a lot of paint color. So the next step in making this, I'm going to be using some pearl gems that I also got from Michael's, because I know pearls is a factor or a key element in the Alpha Kappa Alpha sorority. So while I was at the craft store, I saw some really beautiful decorative paper that had the same colors of like the pink and the green. And I also saw this that had the kind of like the tea rose. And I was going to use that as the background. But I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so I was going to let my friend decide. And then over the course of making it, I decided to keep it plain because I really like the simple colors of the pink and the green, and then using the white letters to make those pop. The letters I got also from Joann's Fabric, and I used a white spray paint in order to cover the letters. And then I'm going to be using these pearl and diamond gem stickers to cover the letters to just make them a little bit more blingy. So off camera, I made a bow using ribbon that I had in my stash. Then I also found on Amazon the cutest little frog. It's a blinged out rhinestone frog that has pink and green, and I thought this would be too perfect as a centerpiece for the bow. So here it is. Here is my version of a DIY Greek paddle inspired by Alpha Kappa Alpha. And it cost me a lot less than $80. So I definitely suggest doing this yourself, or otherwise maybe I just discovered a new side hustle if people are willing to pay that much for it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it gave you some inspiration of things that you can do, and I'll see you guys next week.